Alright. Hey, what's up there, YouTubes? Rob's here. How you all doing? So it's been a long time since I've posted a video. It's just it's winter. It's Ottawa, Ontario. It's pretty cold. It's pretty snowy. -15, -20. Anyway, you're all probably here because of the new rules and regulations for drones in Canada. So now we have to register our drone with Transport Canada, the government, and we also have to pass a test. So I haven't really studied this, but I figured I would just jump right into it. So I've got the screen up here. I'm gonna call it cheating. I've got Google open and I'm gonna see anything that I don't know. I'm just gonna go to Google and see if I can find the answer, because I figured it's better if I don't know the answer, then rather get it wrong, then I should just Google it and get it right, and now I know the answer. But from what I've seen from other videos similar to this, there's some questions out there that are more pertaining to flying, not actual drone operations. So let's just jump right on, and you guys can hang out with me. And first of all, we're going to register the drone. I've got my drone, so I've got the serial number, got my handy dandy credit card, and let's just jump right in. So let's go. So we're going to go onto the page. I'm on Transport Canada small basic exam right here. Just let me make sure I've got everything working okay over there. That looks good. So the small basic exam features 35 multiple choice questions. You have 90 minutes to complete, and a score of 65% or higher is considered. After you pass, you'll get your pilot certificate. Body. So let's take the exam, and I believe this is going to make me register it first. So I'm going to log into this. I will be hiding my information from the screen. Continue. Okay, so Transport Canada Drone Management Portal. Welcome to the Transport Canada's Management Portal. So this is your first time, need some basic information. I am an individual. So you're either representing a business or government, or you're an individual. I am an individual. I'll put in my email address, phone number, first name, last name, date of birth. Now this is what I was unsure of right here. Are you a Canadian citizen or permanent resident? I'm actually not a Canadian citizen. I am a permanent resident. And at first I heard you had to be a Canadian citizen, but it looks like you can also be a permanent resident, so that is cool. Yes, I am. Continue. We have sent a confirmation code. Okay, let me check that out on my phone. From TC, from Transport Canada, Aviation do not reply. Cool. So I've got my confirmation code right there. Continue. Mailing address. Dirty. All right. Okay, register a drone, take an exam, or apply for a pilot certificate advanced operation. So I'm just going to register a drone first of all. So you must register to operate your weighing between 255 and Maverick Air. So that's between that. It should take 3 minutes to register your drone. Okay, it's 10:54. Let's check it out. I purchased, date of purchased. Well, I purchased this last February. So let's put February 1st, 2018. February 1st, 2018. If there is an existing Transport Canada registration number on the drone, please enter it. Okay, pretty sure there's no registration number on there. So let's continue. Select your make and model. Enter 3 or more characters, DGI. Okay. And we're looking for Maverick Air. Got it. Serial number. Cool. Please verify that the following information is correct. When ready, press the pay for registration. $5. Check out. Okay, so I have registered a drone, and that did take less than 3 minutes. Okay, so here is the certificate of registration. It gives you the make, model. Let's go on to the next stage of the test. And now let's take an exam. This is what we're all here for, taking the exam. Before you obtain certification, you must complete an online exam to ensure you have sufficient knowledge. There's a $10 non-refundable fee for basic and a $50 non-refundable for the flight reviewer exam, as if I'm doing the advanced. You must be 14 years of old or older. It will take between 15 minutes and 60 minutes to complete the exam. Wow. Okay, so let's go. It's now 11 AM my time. And I'm taking the small exam. The basic exam. I'm going to pay for this. Another $10. Money, 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 money. Pay with the same. Transport Canada Drone Management. Payment success. Before you start, there are 35 multiple choice questions. Must be completed within 90 minutes and I must get 65%. JavaScript, it must be enabled. How to navigate. After answering each question, press the continue. At the end of the exam, press finish. I will not copy, transmit, distribute, share, record, or post any exam questions and or responses electronically, digitally, or by any other means or to or for anyone. So obviously I'm going to be hiding the questions from you guys. If that's why you came here, sorry. I don't want to break any laws, but well, that's funny. So the first question, lol. So the first question has got me stumped. Okay, so I'm going to go to Google. I'm going to go to Google straight away. But I'm pretty sure this question is not. This question is not in the the basic rules. Let's go back to the basic. Like this first this first question is not. I think I know which one it is, but let's go on to drone pilots must follow the rules. Okay, well I'm just gonna put this one because I can't find the answer. What the heck? I mean that could be A, B, C, or D. Oh my god, I think I'm just going to guess these. What is this? Oh my goodness, this is ridiculous. This is, these are hard questions and... Okay, I'm just googling the actual question. Oh my. What's the difference between a what? Wow. Okay, I'm going to say that one is... that one. These questions are quite hard. These questions are ridiculous. These questions have nothing to do with flying a drone. Come on, man. The answers have got to be in this one somewhere. Whenever I put in the questions, it comes up with the same page. Comply with instructions. I don't think I'm going to pass this. Come on, man. Well, I found an answer by using Google. Okay. I think I found another answer. Define. So these questions are very hard. I found another right answer though. Rocking now. How many? Time, what? Okay, I'm finding some answers. But these are, I think it's from the, wow. Did I just see that? I just saw that. It's that one, I think. So it's using, this is the first normal question, but it's using the wrong, it's using feet instead of meters. I mean, I'm in Canada, so I've got to convert that now. Well, I think it was, it's a bit of a trick question as well because it's got little, so I think it's this one. Okay, I'm on question 14, so I've done about 1 a minute so far. I think that even the, oh, they're just so, okay. Pretty sure that's that one. Like, why am I going to be using that? Probably. Okay, so that. What? Who made these questions? These questions are ridiculous. Like, this is a ridiculous question. But I found it. Wow, look at that! I found the answer. My goodness! Like, why would you ever need to know that? Okay, this one was in the. I saw this one in the rules. Googled another one correctly. Explain. Oh, what? Like, I don't know how people are gonna get it. I mean, I have to say I thought this would be easier. I'm 20 minutes in. I'm on question 22. I might have found it. Look at this. I think it's probably that. I don't know. I'm gonna go for that. This makes no sense to me whatsoever and has nothing to do with me flying a little Mavic Air around some farmland. Oh, I'm so mad right now. I'm getting mad at this test. This test is annoying me. This test is really annoying me. I can't even Google the answers. Okay, here's might be an answer here. I don't know the answer. What? Okay, I'm gonna say it's that. Okay, question 25. I'm 26 minutes in. They're not gonna give me instruction. You hear that? So what does that even mean? This is so funny. So no, it's coming to me like Final Fantasy. So hard. I don't think I'm going to pass this test. You know the questions are hard when you can't really find the answer. Okay, last 5. It's probably one I should know. Indicate. I wouldn't think it would be. I'm gonna say that. 2 more. What? Oh, this is so funny. There's maybe been like 5 questions here that could relate to drone operations, I think. Come on, man. Why would I ever need to know this? Okay, so what is that in? Oh, let's just do. Okay, so that's could be about right. Lol. Okay, last one. Okay, so no, let's do that one first. Okay, let's submit. Let's see what we get. I don't think I passed this. Processing. Loading. I passed! I passed! Congratulations, you passed. Congratulations, you passed your exam. We encourage you to view your exam results for tips and areas of improvement. You have been issued the following pilot certificate. Yes! Yes! We sent you an email confirmation. That's incredible. How did I pass that? How did I pass that? What's it called? Oh, this is a miracle. Here it is. So here is my pilot certificate, small remotely piloted aircraft system, issued to me, basic operations, date of issuance. Comment down below before I give this answer. Comment down below what score do you think I got. That was extremely hard. It took me 37 minutes. Even Googling, I couldn't find the answers. So ridiculous. Let's have a look at what my exam results were. 82%! I got 82%. I'm so happy. That was a hard test. This exam was completed on January 27th. So the different subject areas, I guess I can tell you those. The subject areas were air law, air traffic rules and procedures, RPAS, airframes, power plants, propulsion and systems, human factors, meteorology, navigation, flight operations, theory of flight, and radio telephony. What did I do best in? Or what did I do worse in? Navigation, I got 3 out of 4. They're pretty good. I got 13 out of 14 on the first one. That's crazy that I got those right, because I didn't find a lot of these answers on Google. I kind of guessed. You may want to review ground crew. I passed the test. I can go flying my Mavic Air. I can fly this legally. I mean, I can fly it legally now, but June 1st, I'm going to be out there 5 o'clock in the morning, just flying this bad boy around, waiting for Transport Canada to come to me saying, "Excuse me, sir, do you have your pilot license?" And I will go, "Yes, actually, it's right here. Anything else I can do for you? Maybe you want some help with columinous clouds," or whatever they're called. Or maybe I need to call air traffic control about something. Yes, I passed the exam. Guys, you can do it too. Girls, you can do it too. It's not easy, but Google things that you don't know. Some things are common sense. I would say out of those 35 questions, about 5 of them actually related to common laws to do with flying a drone. So that's it. Hope this was entertaining or useful or something. Obviously I can't show the questions and the answers. Sorry about that. I don't want to break any laws. So yeah, they may change those questions. Those questions did not relate to drones in a lot of cases, and it's just ridiculous. So hopefully they'll change those. I can't imagine what the advanced one is like. I'm not going to be going for the advanced one anytime soon. I would like to go out to a test guy and he can watch me fly a drone, but that's it for me. Hopefully see you soon with a new flying video, actually flying my drone now that I can. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Stay warm if it's cold out there. Bye bye.